Good morning. My name is Rohit Vijay from class 10C. My roll number is 26. Today I am here going to explain my multidisciplinary project. So let's begin. Here I chosen a chapter for my multidisciplinary project, which is A Letter to God. The author of the chapter is G.L. Fuentes. G.L. Fuentes described in this chapter about a farmer whose name is Lenko. Lenko was a hardworking farmer who was cultivating corn with his flour. Lenko farmland was needed only a dawn power, or at least a shower. He knew that his farmland has done nothing but else sink towards the northeast. Lenko talking to his wife and said that now we are really going to get some water, woman. Lenko wife replied, yes, God willing. Who was preparing dinner? Lenko had predicted big drop of rain began to fall. The air was fresh and sweet. Lenko went out of the house for no reason, to have a feeling that the rain is going to come today. He returned and exclaimed that they are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are coins. The big drops falling from the sky is 10 cents and smaller ones are 5. With a satisfied expression, he was covering his field with the curtains. But suddenly what happened? The rain has begun to fall more heavier, and with the raindrops the hailstorm has begun to come. The hailstorm has destroyed all his farmland and even a leaf hasn't left. The hailstorm was not leaving his field for an hour. His field was totally covered with the white color and the salty. So he was feeling sad and he told his son, a plug of locusts has left more than this. The hailstorm has left nothing. This year we are going hunger. His night was sorrowful. There is no one who can help him. This year he is going to be hunger. He was feeling solitary in the house. His heart was filled with the sadness. His wife says that, don't be so upset. Remember, this is a total loss. No one dies for hunger. Yes, no one dies for hunger. Lenko was hoping with the God and asking that, please help me. He told the God that I was working the farmland like an ox. So he decided to write a letter to God, and Lenko was literate. So Sunday he went to the office to write a letter to God and post it on the office. He wrote his letter and put on the envelope. He brought a stamp and stick to the envelope. One of the employees has written his mail address, which was to God. The employee was laughing very loudly. He shown his staff that I got a mail, I got a letter. The address was to the God. The employee never seen in his life such an address on the mail. A postmaster, fat, amiable, breaking his laughing and turn on the topic immediately that a farmer who was needed 100 pesos. So he thinks that all our staff should collect pesos to give him to grow a crop once again, because we get food. So he was collecting from his staffs. He was donated half of the which he was wanted. The postmaster collected 70 pesos and put it on the envelope. Few days Lenko went to the post office and seen his envelope. He was not happy with his envelope because Lenko requested 400 pesos, but he got only 70. He thinks that the God can't make a mistake. So he was writing his letter publicly, and he was writing in his letter that, please God, don't give me money through mail. The post office staffs are bunch of crooks that he has stole my money. The chapter has been ended here. I hope you like this video. Stay home.